Hello my friends, my name is DC, and in today's video we're going to learn how to make fudge. Man, who doesn't love super chocolatey, super dense, super good fudge that you can eat yourself or give to someone you love? Oh man, it's 4 ingredients, it's so quick, so easy, so good. Want to know how? Just watch this video. The secret to good fudge is to keep your burner on low heat. So, to a heavy bottom pan over low heat, we're going to add 2 cups or 350 grams of chocolate chips and 1 tablespoon or 14 grams of unsalted butter. To that, we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon or 2 grams of kosher salt and an entire 14-ounce or 397-gram can of sweetened condensed milk. Now, sweetened condensed milk is really sticky, so you're going to have to use a spatula to try to get all of it that you can out of that can. Now just stir all those ingredients together over low heat until everything is well combined and the chocolate chips have melted. Resist the urge here to turn the temperature up. Low heat will get the job done for you. It's going to take a few minutes, but trust me, it's a better product. The butter will probably be the last thing to disappear, but after it's gone and everything is melted, you're ready for the next step. Now, turn your fudge out into an 8x8 baking pan that's been sprayed with a little bit of cooking spray and lined with either wax paper, parchment paper, or even aluminum foil to make sure that you can easily take the fudge out of the pan once it's cooled down. Using your spatula, spread the fudge out into a single layer in your baking pan. The fudge at this point is going to be really sticky, so just take some extra time and make sure you get the fudge pressed into all of the corners, focusing on keeping it as even thickness as you possibly can. Even though you want the top to be somewhat smooth, leave some of those spatula markings in the top of the fudge, because when it cools and hardens, those are going to look really good when you cut it into squares. After at least 4 hours in the refrigerator to cool and harden, remove your fudge from the pan and cut it into whatever shapes you'd like. I like to cut mine into square shapes for 2 reasons. One, I think the presentation looks a lot better, and you get to see those spatula markings that we left on the top before we put it in the refrigerator. And 2, a single bite of fudge is enough chocolate to satisfy any cravings you might be having. I guarantee it. Taking 4 ingredients, we can make a delicious pan of fudge and give it to someone that we love and show how much we care about them. Or maybe we just need a chocolate hit for ourselves, and that's perfectly fine too. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, leave a comment if you would like to, and hit the subscribe button to see more videos just like this one. Until next time, always remember, peace, love, and fudge. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.